Hello and welcome to this lecture. Dimension 8, Co-produce value. It means leveraging the value created by the products and services of other businesses and adding value to them via your business. The resultant outcomes are products or services that serve different niches. No business is an island. Airbus manufactures its planes by sourcing its parts from other businesses locating in different countries. These firms add value to its business by manufacturing the parts for its passenger aircrafts. You must remember that other businesses can provide you with tangible as well as intangible products called services to improve your bottom line. So think of the ways in which you can leverage the skills of other businesses in order to make your business more profitable. So it is true for almost every business on earth, irrespective of its size and the geographic footprint of its customers. A bakery in London will have to purchase sugar, chocolate, and other ingredients for making its products. It is also true for local barber shops which have to purchase scissors and other equipment from other businesses. Manufacturing them on their own would be very inefficient since it is not their core skill. Therefore, they are better off purchasing them from other businesses. So in essence, different businesses can come together and become part of each other's supply chain or else add tangible or intangible benefits like intellectual capital to each other. In this way, new products and services can come to the market with superior value proposition. Therefore, if you are a business owner, you should ask yourself, which businesses can add value to my business and improve my bottom line? On what activities should I focus more and invest most of my time and money? What do I love the most and can do the best? Can I serve another market by teaming up with another firm? For example, the owner of a catering firm can ask himself, can I team up with an event management company or a restaurant locally so that their premises can be used as a wedding event? I can supply the food and they can supply the space and help me in creating the ambience which is ideal for that event. The owner of a local organic farm can ask himself, can I team up with a high-end restaurant and supply them with local organic produce to create new line of niche dishes? So you must always think, what should I outsource and what are my core competences? In the assignment, mention at least two ways in which you can co-produce value together with other businesses to enhance your cash flow. If you are not a business owner, simply imagine yourself in the driving seat of a business in the industry of your choice and write them down.